We will learn about verb. What is verb? You can see that যে ওয়ার্ড দ্বারা কোনো কাজ সম্পূর্ণ হওয়া বোঝা যায় তাকে ভার্ব বলে। We can easily understand this function of verb. Firstly, we can see the chart. Verb bringing to mind. Final verb, non-final. Final verb to mind. Principal verb or main verb, auxiliary verb or helping verb. Principal verb to mind. Transitive verb, intransitive verb. Primary auxiliary verb to mind. Primary auxiliary, modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary divided into three kinds: be verb, am verb, do verb. Non-final verb divided into three kinds: final verb, participle, auxiliary. Participle three kinds: present participle, past participle, perfect participle. Now let us start our description.